Hi guys, so I know some of y'all probably thought this was going to be a negative video about being a life insurance broker. It is absolutely not a negative video, okay? I have to let you know that if you thought about writing insurance and being an insurance license agent and you keep putting it off, you are out of your mind. It's time for you to think about why you kept putting it off. Why? Did you keep telling yourself you don't have time to study? You don't have time to go to school? That's not a good excuse. If you are really trying to get in a career where you'll be able to work anywhere in the United States and be able to write a policy anywhere in the United States, all you need is your license and your non-resident license, then what are you waiting on? I became a life insurance broker in July. At the time, I thought I was just going to be an agent. I had no idea that this company had doors open for me to be able to write for multiple carriers, which meant my chances of being able to assure a person I can assure them and insure them was inevitable. There was no way that I could tell a person or would have to tell a person, I'm sorry, I can't find anything for you, because I have at least 20 carriers under my name. I went on a trip with my daughter to Houston, Texas. And at the time, I got a call from a friend of mine who had a client that needed to insure her sons in Houston. I was able to get my license in 24 to 48 hours, and I was able to insure them and get that commission in 2 days. You don't understand the sense of freedom and obligation that we have out there to help those that don't understand the power of life insurance. A lot of people get life insurance because they think it's only for burial. There are many ways that life insurance is very helpful in the investment world with people who just want to use life insurance as an investment. There is so much that I've learned in such a short amount of time. Our company is very dedicated to making sure all new agents are successfully guided. Even agents who've been with the company for some years, they still have someone that they can go back to for guidance. Daily, we have calls, we speak to each other. Daily, you can call anyone throughout the United States that's an affiliate of the company, and they will gladly assist you. You are not on your own. This is a wonderful learning experience for me. I am now licensed in 3 states. Since July. And the only reason it's just 3 is because I've only paid for 3. But if I wanted to go state to state and pay my fee and get my non-resident license and be able to write, I can do it. If I decide right now I want to go live in Colorado, I can go to Colorado and while I'm on vacation, rent a nice cabin and write policies. People is people. People needs to be covered. People need to be insured. So my job would never expire. And that's why I'm so passionate about posting these videos to help people to be able to pass, help people to not give up on themselves and see the vision. It's not just about making money. It's about helping others. And it's about making sure your family see a life that you can only imagine by just merely talking to people and showing your concern and saying, look, I want to make sure at that time that your family won't be embarrassed, that you'll be covered. Or look, I have a great way for you to invest and get a return on investment legally by having a policy that will insure your family and will insure your generations and guarantee financial stability in the midst of any accidents or anything that happens. I'm telling you, life insurance is the way to go. If you want to know more about my company, I would love to invite you to one of our calls. And I would love to invite you to any event that we have because I'm telling you, it's a memorable experience. You can call me 404-645-1922. Go NASB.